So this is our finished product. This is a clean hemp fibre where we've separated out all of the woody core, and this is the fibre that will be used by the European non-woven mat industry for making the likes of insulation, interior door panels for cars, etc. We'll go back down to the... See, we have different materials here and put here. Horse bedding, so we retain the trade name Hempcore, although the company is now called Hemp Technologies Limited, and this material will be sold all over the UK and onto the near continent as horse bedding, reptiles, pigeons, all sorts of animals are now on Hempcore bedding. The core bedding, which we launched 2 years ago, and it's made from oilseed rape straw. I think you call it canola, and it's not as good as Hempcore horse bedding, but it's cheaper, and so it's going to a lower market, but we're selling tens of thousands of bales of this. It's going very well. So you'll see we've done it in similar packaging to the hemp, but the hemp is blue and this is purple. This is the only factory in the world on this layout, so it's quite unique. There's one other factory in France which is very similar, but they're not the same. Here on the outside we've got all the filters and the dust extraction from the whole process, and all of the dust that comes out of the filters is then sent to the briquetting machines, so nothing is wasted here. What you see in the trailer is heavy earth and stuff that's taken out at the very beginning, and that was taken away by a local farmer and put back on the field. So these are the briquettes that come out. So all of the dust, small fibres, small pieces of shit introduced into this. This is what will go to the power station. All the way back to the baling machine, but again it's all enclosed, you can't actually see it. This is a diagram that will explain here what the fibre refining line consists of. It's first of all what we call a step cleaner, which is a series of drums where the fibre is taken and beaten over the drums and the shiv falls out. It's all about removing shiv from fibre. So we have a step cleaner, a pinned opener, which is pins which are combing out the fibres here, another step cleaner, a pinned opener, and another step cleaner. And by the end of this process, we will end up with clean fibre. Of the factory with the raw material here at this end here. And then there is a bale opener here for opening up the straw bales, and then it's into the first hammer mill, which is really beating up the straw. From the hammer mill it goes to a machine here. It's like a rotary tumble dryer, if you like, with the fibre going out. The whole process is about the separation of fibre from the woody core. That's what the function of the factory is, to separate those two fractions. So in this machine here, the hemp fibre is turning and the woody core will be going out through screens. The fibre that exits this machine then goes to a second hammer mill, From that second hammer mill, it then goes into a second Duvex, a second rotary tumbling machine, where again more shiv is removed, and the cleaned and dust extracted shiv is then sent to a silo ready for packing. And then when we operate the baling machine, that is here, where the shiv is pressed into plastic bales and automatically palletized by robot here onto pallets. So that's the shiv. The dust that is all extracted, we have dust extraction which is outside the building in these series of cleaning machines, and the dust that they produce is all brought to 3 briquetting machines here, and the briquettes are then put into these hoppers, and then it's loaded into bulk and goes to a local power station for burning with chicken litter. And they like our material because it's very dry, and it mixes with the wet chicken litter. But they're burning biomass, and we also sell them for hemp logs as well, for wood stoves. Mm-hmm. The fibre is then sent to our 2 refining lines, and these are here. They're built by Tamafa, a German company. And there the fibres are combed out. Again, it's all about the separation of the shiv from the fibre, mm-hmm. And the result at the end of that is a clean fibre, which is then sent to the baling machine here, and it's baled into bales of around 200 kilos in weight. And then those bales are then delivered on full trucks of about 24 tons and sent to Germany for the Germany or France or several other European countries for the European non-woven industry.